In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team wiki for a remote company. Establishing a centralized hub for documentation is vital for remote teams as it ensures everyone has access to comprehensive resources at any time, boosting productivity and coherence. So, let's dive into setting this up using Notion, a versatile tool designed for workspace organization. First, go ahead and open your browser. Navigate to Notion's homepage. This is where we'll begin crafting our wiki. If Notion is already your go-to workspace tool, it's the perfect platform for keeping all your documents and projects organized seamlessly. Next, click on the Login button. If you've been using Notion, you're likely familiar with this step. Logging in ensures that your workspace is linked to your account, providing you the flexibility to manage your pages and wikis wherever you are. Remember, a secure password is always a good practice, particularly for maintaining sensitive company data. Once logged in, you'll be directed to Notion Home. This serves as the main dashboard where all of your projects, pages, and workspaces are listed. From here, we'll create a new page. You'll want to look for the option that says Create a New Page. It's typically a button you can't miss. This step allows us to start fresh, laying the foundation of our team wiki. After clicking Create a New Page, you'll see several options for page types appear. Choose to create a database. Databases in Notion are incredibly powerful. They allow you to organize information dynamically with tables, calendars, and lists, giving your team an agile way of tracking and updating important information. Now, focus on giving your new database a name. Click on the title to do this. Choose a name that resonates with your team's purpose for the wiki. Something clear and concise, which encapsulates the core use of the database, like Team Resources Hub or Project Documentation. With the initial setup complete, it's time to add sections to your wiki. This structure can help your team navigate with ease, ensuring they quickly find the information they require. Consider adding sections such as Company Guidelines, Project Overviews, Meeting Notes, or any other sections pertinent to your team's needs. This step is all about categorizing content effectively, which can be continuously expanded as your team evolves. As we wrap up, remember that creating a team wiki is not just about building a page. It's about fostering a culture of shared knowledge. Encourage your team to contribute and collaborate within the wiki regularly. By doing so, you're not just combining documents, you're cultivating a living, breathing resource that enriches the remote working experience for everyone involved. And there you have it, a functional, organized team wiki. This concludes our setup process today. Thank you for joining me, and I hope this guide simplifies your approach to shared knowledge within your remote company.